Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a single product to your website. So basically you can add products using a bulk method or you can add your products one by one. In this one I'm going to show you how to do it one by one. So to do that you need to go to your products menu, and as you can see that there are no products, and that's why it's showing you different ways. You can either click here to add a single product or you can click here on this button. I'll click on this button. After that, you can put in the name of the product, the category, the description, and all these various details, and I'm going to explain you how to do that. So I have these details of my products out here. I'm going to create this product. So for that, I'm going to take the name of the product, put it in the name. Then I'm going to take the category, put it in the category. The description can be put in here. Short description, if you have, it can be put in here. Otherwise, it can be left blank. For the selling price, you can put it here. And product price, which is sometimes also referred to as the MRP, can be put in here. Now, in order to upload the photo, you can click here and then you can go to the photo of that product. And I've got these 4 photos for the same product. I'm going to upload this photo here, which is the main photo, and I'm going to show you how to do it for extra photos. But before that, you can put in your available quantity. So if you're managing inventory using the system, you can put in your available quantity here, as well as the minimum order quantity here. What minimum order quantity means is, let's say you put in minimum order quantity as 5 and let's say available quantity as 100. What this means is whenever a person is placing the order, the minimum quantity that they can order is 5. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it as 1 and 1. Variant, we are going to discuss it in a different video, how to actually configure variants. But then custom fields is a way in which you can add multiple fields or extra fields to your products. I'm not going to discuss that here because there is a separate video for this again. For extra products, I can upload the other 3 product photographs out here. So now this becomes the main photo and these 3 become an additional photos. Then for SEO tags, either you can leave it as blank because the system already picks up the name and keywords from the name of the system. So the title is picked up from the name itself and the keywords are picked up by your description and keywords. So either you can leave it as blank or you can save it directly. So if you've got something very specific that you want to put in for SEO tags, you can put in here. So what, again, just a small recap, what I did was I came to basic, I put in all the details here, I put in the main photograph here and the extra photos here. After doing that, I can save all changes. And once I've saved all changes, if I go back, I'll be able to see that my single product has been created. I can review my photos or review my product out here, and as you can see that this is how the product would look like, and I can even view this in the store. So if I want to actually preview this in the store, it will actually appear like this. So what you're seeing is one photo, multiple photos here, as well as the short description is coming in here. This is your sale price, this is your product price. It automatically detects how much percent is off or what amount is off, and then the description here. And that's about it in having to add a single product into your website. Thank you.